For the ultimate in strength and durability, we offer the premium steel line. Heavy-duty white powder coat covers a 16-gauge construction in both a gull wing and a single lid model, both featuring a full crowned lid, stainless steel push buttons, and self-opening lids that are completely reinforced for strength. Automotive grade weather stripping, rotary latches, and heavy-duty 5/16 striker pins. Additional storage trays for organization. All these features making the NAPA Perfect Additions premium steel line the top choice for demanding fleets. NAPA Perfect Additions features a full line of retail and professional toolboxes, industrial boxes, and transfer tanks. Find your perfect truck storage product at your local NAPA Auto Parts store.